I'm sorry about the lighting. Also, I just want to say, I've been getting really into IMSA lately. This is my unpaid ad for IMSA real quick, okay? If you guys haven't been following IMSA, you should. It's really, really fun stuff to watch. Okay, I'm not a big Formula 1 guy. I like GT racing, where you can look at a car and go, that's a racing version of the car I have in my driveway. Or the car I could go to a showroom and buy. I like racing like that. And so IMSA, if you want to watch, it's I think it's called, you've got GTD and GTD Pro. GTD is usually with privately owned race teams, and then GTD Pro are race teams more kind of officially affiliated with the manufacturers, because I think GTD has Turner Motorsport, and then GTD Pro has some official BMW team, for example. And they're using the M4 GT3s. And I gotta tell you, those cars look pretty cool despite the tombstone grills. And it's good racing. Obviously, I'm always rooting for BMW. And they're doing pretty good. Those M4s are performing. They're pretty stout. They had some bad luck in the first couple races with, you know, while in the lead, getting hit by other cars, sometimes in different classes, which makes things interesting because you've got the prototype cars or the LMP cars having to navigate around the slower GT cars, and it's really interesting. Like, for example, on Long Beach, everything's really narrow, and you just think, man, I would just curb my wheels and rip a fender off, and these guys are making aggressive overtake maneuvers in the corners. It's wild how skilled these guys are. It's cool to watch the full races. They also have highlights too. I hope BMW has a good, you know, even if not a full championship win, I hope they have some kind of good podium finish. They're doing pretty good. They've had some good wins on some individual races. They had one race, a really good one, between a 720 GT3 race car and the 721, but then BMW won on a technicality because I think the 720 was underweight. Not great to win on a technicality. I don't think that really fills you with pride, but you know, it's more points towards the win, I suppose. But it was a good race. It's really good action. I really recommend you guys check it out. Because you've got, let's just list off the roster real quick. You got the BMWs, you got Lamborghini Huracan GT3 race cars, you got Ferrari 488 race cars, you've got, there's an Aston Martin GT3 car in there. There are, I think there's an Acura NSX GT3 car. There's a few Mercedes AMG race cars. I don't know if there's any Porsches in there. I don't think there are. I don't remember seeing any. I don't think there's an Audi R8 in there either. But there's a good assortment of cars. And then there's the prototype cars too. Obviously those are worth watching because those are insane and those are fast. Who would have thought Cadillac made really good race cars? That really opened my eyes when I realized that they made really good race cars. Of course, I had the garage door open to give myself some fresh air, but it was blocking the light that would have, you know, kept me from being a noir silhouette. So, oh well.